Now, Barbara, I love planting beds around the home, but it sure seems like they require a lot of maintenance to keep them looking fairly good.
Well, you know, everybody feels that about gardens, and if you are going to have one, it's going to take a little bit of maintenance. If you can carve some time out just on the front end of creating a garden, you'll be able to save yourself some time over the long haul.
Well, what are the few things, though, just 2 or 3 things that really will make the most impact?
You know, I think probably the most important thing is to try and work the soil. All of us inherit either clay or silt, and you know, the plants are not going to grow that well if you don't add some kind of organic material, whether it's humus or mushroom compost.
Okay, what about fertilizer? I mean, adding fertilizer will certainly make them more healthy, I guess.
Well, you know, just by doing that work to the soil, that's already fertilizing the plants. But after a few years, if you want to add some slow-release fertilizer, that's good.
How can you get rid of all of the weeds, or at least minimize the growth of the weeds?
I mean, don't ever let anybody tell you that you can have a garden that's weed-free, because I'm afraid it's just a part of life. But if you work with mulch, that's going to make all the difference in the world. First, it keeps the moisture in the beds, which is great for the plants, but it will suppress the weed growth. And, you know, just by doing these things, I think you're going to find that a garden's not quite as much maintenance as you thought. And the joy it's going to give you over the life of the garden is going to be worth it.